Are you friendly or are they just circling?
I don't know.
Oh, really?
Right. Bit of scratching.
That's mine. This is mine. Hello. No, they've got it down. They know we're tourists. All these cats. They know we're all tourists and giving out food and feeling good. Yeah, making all the cute noises to try and get food. They have some.
I've never seen a cat doing this.
Really?
Yeah. Are you gonna piss on that border as well?
Yeah.
To make it yours?
No, I just saw the like. Oh, door. They have some ringworm from the other cat.
I mean, I must admit the fur looks very clean.
The other one did as well, but I think they were just so old. The other, the black cat.
I mean, for just curtsy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's learnt from kitten behaviour. That they and some cats. That's why they need before they lay down. It's kitten behaviour, trying to activate the mama milk. That's a technical term, yeah.
The mama milk.
Yeah. Got no food unless you want some wilder or some cardboard
Or some denim.
or some denim. Denim spray noulé. Indeed, I know. Well, you like it, do you? We'll give you a spot if you want. That's what it's all about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.